Okay, as far as materials for this course are concerned, we can keep things very simple. With acrylic painting, as with oil painting, you can make it as complicated or simple as you want. There's so much out there to purchase. But first things first, we need some brushes. So a large flat brush like this is good for blocking in big colors, and soft bristles, synthetic bristles, and then a larger filbert like this. This is a size 6, anything up to size 8 will be fine for most things. And then this is a short flat brush which can be used for acrylics or oils, and that is also very handy to have. Then a couple of round brushes like this, synthetic fiber. This is a size 12 and a size 6, and they're very handy for acrylic painting. Palette knife, always handy for mixing color. Then with the colors, there's a wide range of colors available for acrylics. Good quality student acrylics at the very least should do fine for this course. I like the My Mary range of acrylics for students. They have good quality, but the basic colors, yellow or a permanent yellow, lemon, that'll be fine, one of those. And alizarin crimson is very important. Any sort of red, warm red, or a red light, blue, ultramarine blue, and cobalt or cerulean blue will be useful. Then of course titanium white is essential. You can have a few convenience colors as well, like burnt sienna and yellow ochre, and even orange will be helpful too. I use a rubber glove for my hands as well. Not that there's danger from the acrylic paint, but to try and keep my hands clean, because acrylics do stick and dry very quickly. A notebook with pencil and felt tip markers in the wedge shape will be useful. Keep doing your sketches and note-and studies, which is very important. So an A5 notebook like this will be ideal. Then as a palette, you can use the simple tear-off palettes, which are very easy to transport and convenient. You can use them anywhere. What I will be demonstrating is the Stay Wet palette, which I will show you how to make, and you can close it off to keep your paint from drying too quickly. As far as easels are concerned, I find a desktop easel like this to be very useful, but any sort of easel will do. And that is really that. You can supplement your brushes as well, as you'll see during the course, with bristle as well for texture effects when painting. But by and large, keep your equipment as simple as possible.